Hi, this is Sonia. Today we are going to break down an exercise most people call bird dog. It is a great exercise to help you strengthen your core and improve your body condition, especially if you have a lower back or hip issue. However, it is not an easy exercise to do it right. So we are going to take our time and break it down. If you have low back issue or you feel your pelvis or hips are off, I recommend you to wear a brace. And wearing a brace is also help you to sense how it feels like when you use your core. I recently come across this product. It's by Stud Sports. I like it a lot. It's very lightweight but gives big support. It has 2 layers, so you wear the first layer like most of the braces. I like it. It comes with all different sizes, even it's extra small. And you also have the second layer that can tighten it even more. So it's very secure and does not move around. I will list the link in the description box of this video. Hope you will like it. Let's come up onto our hands and knees. We want to make sure we have a good setup. You want your hands well underneath your shoulders, knees well underneath your hips. Don't let your hands go too far forward or your knees go too far in. Next, we want to focus on our breath. Inhale through your nose, breathe into the sides and back of your ribs, and exhale, draw your abdominal into your spine, away from the floor. Inhale, breathe into the sides and back, and exhale, draw your abdominal away from the floor. Once you feel your core kick in, start with one arm off. Continue to focus on your breathing. Use your breath to fire your core, then bring your other arm off. Starting with one arm only instead of the full version of the exercise better prepares your body to understand how to use your core to stabilize your pelvis and lower back while moving the limbs. One common mistake here is to sink your chest towards the floor and pinch your shoulder blades together, or shift your weight back towards your feet when you lift the arm. Make sure your weight is 50-50 on your hands and knees. Now you're going to lift the one leg up without twisting your pelvis. Draw your abdominal in, focus on your breathing, then lift your other leg up. Then bring it back down. Again, the focus is on your breathing. Use exhalation to draw your abdominal in when you move your leg. This will help you to stabilize your pelvis and your lower back. Oftentimes, people will lift the leg too high or turn the leg out and causing your pelvis to move. Make sure 2 sides of the pelvis stay even. Or people will shift the pelvis to one side when they lift the leg. That will also cause the instability in the lower back and pelvis. Now you're ready for the full version of the exercise, lifting opposite arm and leg off, and stay as long as you can. Feel your stability in your lower back and pelvis area. Keep your breathing to intensify your core connection. Then other side. You want to stay as long as you can to challenge your core. This is a great exercise for lower back or hip issue. It really helps you to strengthen your core, especially the core in the back of your body, your multifidi, your erector spinae. However, if we don't do it correctly, we cannot get the full benefit of it. Hope this will help you.